when you read Apostle Paul's letter, the context must define what he's talking about. So when he says, I'm no longer under the law, that Romans chapter 6 verse 14 is that you are no longer under the law of sin. Because it said, for sin has no dominion over you. Always ask. If you see, when somebody says, I'm no longer under the law, ask, which law? Which law? The law of Christ is not different from the law of God. The law of Christ is in the sense that Messiah's authoritative instruction, God's will as mediated and exemplified by Christ, which is the law of love born by the Spirit. In other words, this is how Jesus worked out the law in the midst of unbelievers. It's what is called the Christ alaka. How I interpreted it. I'm not under the law of sin. I'm not under the law of sin and death. I'm under the law of God. I have the law of the Spirit of life working in me. The Spirit, the law of faith. Don't you have it? The law of righteousness. I'm under the law of Christ. The way Christ interpreted the law.